sa naging result. Kahit, ayun, si Jo talaga hands down to Joanna. And to everyone talaga, yung mga contribution ng teammates ko, kahit hindi kami nakaka-contribute sa point, yung sa ibang aspect naman inside the court, nakakatulong kami. So, everyone contributed sa game. Even si Coach Ty, si Sir Tony, lahat ng pangaral nila, it helps talaga. And, ano pa ba? So, ayun, really happy na ganun yung naging resulta ng game. But then, dami pa ang errors yun, madami pa rin kaming kailangan i-improve as a team, as a individual. Naisip ko talaga parang, wow, nakabot kayo ng 24. And parang, pagkatingin ko sa teammates ko, nakasmile lang sila. So parang, hindi 24 all. Parang we're just really playing and enjoying the game. So wala talaga, even si Coach Ty, pagtingin mo sa labas, pagtingin mo sa kanya, sabihin niya lang happy. So parang there's no pressure talaga na you just have to play your game. So ayun. It's an achievement for us girls and for the Ateneo. But then, it's siguro for us, it's just one more challenge para ma-maintain namin yung game namin. Maging consistent pa kami as a team. And sana maging motivation yun para mas maganda pa yung laruin namin sa mga future games.